Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can program a Brinks Series 84 electronic deadlock in 2026. Now, first of all, if the lock is brand new or it has just been reset, you need to start by performing a door handling detection process. So this allows the lock to learn the direction your door opens and ensures that that bolt moves correctly. Now, before creating the user code over here, you need to change the master code. So first of all, you need to press this particular Brinks button. You need to press it twice. Afterwards, you need to enter the current master code, then press the Brinks button again. Then you need to select the option to create the new master code. For that, you need to start entering the new code and confirm it by pressing this Brinks button. Wait for the flash to turn green and wait for it to beep as well. The series 84 is going to support master codes between 4 to 10 digits. So you need to choose a code that is secure and easy for you to remember. So once you have changed the master code, you just have to simply start adding the user code. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to simply enter the master code and then you just have to simply start adding the user code. So the Brinks Series 84 supports multiple user codes that will be useful for your family members, and the range of the user code is also typically 4 to 10 digits long. So avoid using the simple codes like 1, 2, 3, 4 or repeated digits. So once you have entered your user code, you are all set, and that's how you can basically program your Brinks Series 84 electronic door lock. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.